Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Cite HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in citehr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Cite HR. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on Create Account at the top right corner and you will find the login portal underneath. Just type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account or enter your username within the given section. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password box. And now just click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Cite HR. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Cite HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.